Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. It's very early here. I don't think it's 8 o'clock yet. I got to go help one of my daughters handle some business, so I'm going to put on very, very light makeup. I already put on some. This makeup is too light for me, so I just put a little bit under my eyes. And I'm not putting on no full face of makeup. I'm just using my finishing powder today. This color is creamy bronze finish. There's one lighter than this and there's one darker than this. I usually just put this on top of my foundation, but this will work too. You can tell I got something on. Over my eyebrows. I'm going to put on my lashes because I got used to that look now. I used to hear people say they got to wear their lashes, and I didn't understand it. I just don't look like myself no more without my lash clusters. So I like them a lot. And this is all I'm doing to my hair. I just wet it and twisted it up. So this is a get ready with me video. Okay, good with that. Need some blush. I always need some blush because right now I look embalmed. I don't like that look. Look at that cheekbone pop. Usually people use bronzer. I don't know how to do that, so I use my blush. I don't like a rosy cheek. I'm not even putting on no eyeliner. I'm gonna put on putting this on my eyes. Very little makeup. Good. Put something on these rusty, dusty, crusty lips. Lip balm. And a lip stain. It's so old. It has gotten kind of goopy. I like it a lot. Okay. Look better already to myself. Okay. Eyebrows. If you don't do nothing else to yourself, fix your eyes. And put on a little lip color. I need some smokiness on the end of my eyes. It's just something I like. Right there. Just a little. And I outline the eye. Well, I just go in the crease with this dark color. I need some light color up there. So I didn't want to do too much. Okay, I need this mirror bad. Don't look like I did anything, but I feel like I did, so. Alright, clean this. Now for my brows. What I'm using today. Huh? Baby calls me Ma. Huh? What you want, sweetie? Say Grandma. I don't want to use a stencil, but I'll probably have to. I just want to do it freehand. That's what I'll do. I'll clean this. Can't see. Good as she gets. Okay, I need some eyelashes. And I don't need to darken these edges no more. Oh, that's fine. Okay, put these brushes up. I'm going to use my FALSCARA lashes. The box looks like this. FALSCARA by Kiss. Here are the lashes in different lengths. Lash clusters. I ain't got no eyeliner on or nothing. Okay, we'll need the mirror for this. Okay, this is the adhesive. Looks like a little mascara wand, real tiny. And I buy the black adhesive. You can get it in white, and it dries clear. Look, I'm just doing the lashes that I'm putting the cluster on. I usually do 3 clusters per eye. I'll start with the medium. Well, I'm going to do the long cluster. On the end, and I don't go right to the edge of my eye, because when I blink, I don't want nothing touching nothing. That's on there. Here I am cleaning the glue off the tweezers. Okay, let me put some more glue on. Use a medium lash. Turn it that way. That's how it looks. Straighten it out in the tweezers so I can put it on straight. Okay, I'll put the short one on. And this is clumped, so I'm gonna fix it. Okay. Short lash. Okay, I'm gonna put this clear stuff on, clear coat. So when I blink, the adhesive doesn't stick to my bottom lashes. Okay. Okay, that's good. See the difference? Okay, let me put the other eye on. Now, don't go to the edge. You'll see. Just need a little. Just lay it on there. Put the glue on. And put the lash on. Y'all see I'm putting it up under my lashes, right? It's like extensions. Okay, now for the last one. I mean, some people choose to just put the adhesive on all the lashes at one time. I don't do that because it might be too slow and the adhesive might dry. And I don't want to put no double coat of adhesive on because it'll get clumpy. Put it in the tweezers straight so I can lay it on my eyelash straight. Okay. Close the glue up. Let me mash this. Mash this. I think I'm going to put this stuff on first before I mash it. Put the clear coat on. Okay. Let that dry a little. Now I'm gonna mash it to kind of bond the fake lashes with my lashes. Okay, I don't feel anything. Looks like I overlap some on this side, but it's okay, they're still cute. These lashes. So I'm ready. Okay. I want to thank you all for getting ready with me. We're ready to take care of this business. I'm going to do my outfit the other day. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.